Guys, welcome to a different season, different episode, and today I want to show you something different, what we're doing at A-Built Africa Limited. So we recently started the production of CABROs, and I'm also like manufacturing of CABROs, and we've just started. We are actually 1 month old, and I'm excited to show you what I want to bring to you. A product that we want to bring to you as A-Built Africa Limited, or as Build in Africa. And the reason why we started with this one, we realized as we were building the houses that we're building, we realized some of the cost in construction can be cut down if we start production of items of material, so that we can start giving our clients affordable services, affordable construction. And now today, I just want to show you our CABROs that we've started. Currently, we've done 3 patterns, 3 designs, but we have a number of patterns and a number of products that we're going to be giving you. So we are going to give you a wide range of concrete products, and that will be from road channels, you know, pavers block, all types of CABRO, all colors of CABRO, you know, and I'll be showing you how we are mixing. So we're using different kind of cement, you know, high quality cement, and a good mix. So we're using sand, river sand, and quarry dust. So we've used some of the materials because production has already started, and this is where we're putting, you know, we're dropping our materials and we're keeping our materials. And this is the quarry dust that we'll be using for the CABRO. I really want you to understand the process of making a CABRO, because most people wonder how these things are made, and it's a process so simple, maybe capital intensive, but it's so simple to a point where when you see what we're doing, you'll be so sure that your project, your next project will be cheaper when we are doing the finishes, especially for the external finishes. We also are going to be starting the production of special stones, cladding, mazeras, you know, yellow stones, blue stone, pink stones, red stones, green stones, and all these stones we're going to be giving you different types and designs that we have actually designed ourselves at A-Built Africa. So we have a catalog in the office that we're about to start now producing, because we've done all this using the softwares that we use to design our houses, because we've designed different type of you know, different type of products that we're going to be giving you, and some of this you will be seeing them. We also have a special stone that I will be showing you later in the next episode, a special stone that comes from Mbere. Mbere is you know, is a place that is within Embu County, and that place has special products and special stones. We've taken advantage to travel all the way to Mbere and get to collect a few unique stones that we'll be bringing into you, because we believe you know, we have to be diverse in everything that we're doing, because we want your house to look externally beautiful and good. We want your aesthetics to be clean. So come with me as I show you some of the little products and supplies that we have. These are some of the orders that we've already received. We've started recently and we've started collecting the orders. So we are moving swift. So we have a concrete color product. I've realized not so many people want the color, but there are people who want the color depending on the design. So we have a moon shape. We have a moon shape. We have a moon shape and a T shape, and we have the common CABRO. So I will be showing you, I've done a sample pattern here for you to be able to see for the common CABRO. Ebu nitolee zile hollow blocks. Hizo hollow block hizi, zile hollow blocks niziweke hapa ndio pia tuonyeshe hizo hollow blocks tunakuwa tukitengeneza. And the reason why we also want to start the hollow blocks is because we want your slab to reduce cost, and whenever you're doing a big span slab, you use the hollow pot slab, so that at least you can avoid doing you know, interior columns or internal massive columns that may affect your interior aesthetics. We really want to give you solution for your projects. And also for the road builders, we have contractors who build roads and they need some products, so we want to be part of the CABRO community. For most guys who are building the CABRO, there are guys who also make CABRO and they're also doing a good job. But now the reason why we started ours is because we want to reduce our rates when we're building, so that we can be giving good rates to our clients and affordable housing, being part of our mission. This is one of the big agendas with our government. We as Kenyans have to play a part in it, so that at least we can support our government to produce construction solutions that are affordable. And because that is the agenda, that is the vision, and I believe by 2030 we are going to be a nation that is well developed or developing, or we are going to be somewhere at the ranks of other nations that are developed. So today I just want to show you one of the 3 patterns that we have focused with, because these are some of the orders that we have received with these patterns. We have a variety of patterns. I'll be able to show you over the screen some of the patterns that we'll be able to be giving you in this CABRO, in this CABRO, with the CABROs. And I believe we will be giving you good quality. So we are actually using a high percentage of cement and sand and dust, so that we can give you a firm pave, because these ones have to be firm, and we want our products to be unique and our products to be quality. So we have the moon shape, and this is one of the pattern. We've just done a small plinth of pattern, so that you can be able to see with this type of the shape. We're using this because it's one of the orders that we have from our client, but I will be showing at least what you can be able to achieve. So guys, you have actually seen what your double moon can be able to do in terms of paves, and you can have this in different colors. We can have this in yellow, red, and gray, and concrete color, and black. So this can come in different colors, or even whatever color you may be wanting for your paves, depending on what your landscaper has advised, or what you're liking, or what your preference or taste is. Then you can have whatever product we have in whatever color that you really want. So we have a double T shape. We've done arrangement of the double T. You can see it actually gives a very unique pattern. I actually love this pattern myself. This pattern is beautiful. So can you imagine this pattern? Actually, this pattern gives a very nice feel, and even you can do it naturally. And actually, even this double T, you can even use it differently. You don't even have to interlock it. You can actually do a simple pattern like this, and actually hold it up together and do a landscaping in the middle. So here you are able to have a place where you can put your red soil and your grass, and it can be hollow, and then you put your landscaping, so that you can even have enough patterns. You can play around with the patterns that you want with this double T. Actually, all of these unique shapes, the double moon and the double T, can give you whatever pattern that you want, because there are people who prefer to have a hollow on their landscaping, so that they can do their red soil and have the grass on top, the very nice grass, for you to have that ambience. So we have a rectangular shape. This is actually commonly used. This is the most common CABRO that every person think of, and it's actually unique because you can arrange it in whatever pattern that you want. You can actually do the zigzag, you can do the box, you can do the squares, you can even arrange it in whatever pattern that you want, depending on the plan or the design that your landscaper or the landscape architect has advised you to come up with. So guys, today we don't have much, because we have we still continue on the production, and we're growing. We're hoping to expand and have our own factory and yard, and import better machinery. But now we're doing it handmade, handcrafted, hand pressed, and I'm telling you, the product is nice because it's hand sweat and it's real. So another product that guys we want to introduce, we've done a sample for one of our clients who asked us to do a sample of the hollow pot, because most guys ask, what is hollow pot slab? So hollow pot slabs are concrete slabs that are hollow. Actually, that's the way to explain it. Concrete slabs that are hollow, and how people use them, if you have a long span or a big span of slab that you want to concrete with steel, machuma zile ma D8, ma D10, ma D20, whatever, you understand that language. And you don't want to spend a lot of chuma and a lot of concrete on it. You buy the concrete, the hollow pots, and you arrange them in a pattern that leaves a gap where, and that gap is actually, when you're doing chumas, you'll actually do the beams, and then within this, while you're arranging this, you can have the stiffeners. Those chumas zinapita hapo katikati ya hollow pots zinatangwa stiffeners. So you can do the stiffeners and then you concrete it and hold it together, and you actually have a firm slab. The reason why most people sometimes prefer hollow pot slabs is because they don't give vibration. They are actually, very good at reducing vibration. You don't get vibration when you're doing a long span of slab and that is hollow. And again, they don't, the tension with the hollow pot slab sometimes is good. Ama namna gani bwana Kiwes? So guys, I think today we have little to say. I'm sure you have seen the red oxide, the red double moon. I can actually show you. Today we are actually doing the red. Let me show you how it comes out, and you can, actually even my guy is making it. You can see we make how we make the red with the red oxide, actually, for you to get that red color. Then we press it, hand press it strongly. It compacts very well and holds very well, and actually we have little water. We don't even use a lot of heavy water on the mix, on the mortar, and then we have this unique mold that we have here. So this is actually our paves, and I'm happy actually. As A-Built Africa Limited, we're actually looking for solutions to make construction cheaper. We are actually aligning ourselves with the government's vision of 2030, so that we can produce affordable housing, affordable homes to all our fellow Kenyans, and together we can be able to partner. So one can start, another can start, and if we do, we look for solutions, all of us, we believe that we're going to build a better nation, and that actually is what A-Built Africa is looking at. So cheers guys. We don't have much to say today with this, but I can't wait to release this product off the market, and for the for the consumers and for the developers and builders to get. We're actually experts at this. We have engineers who come inspect our mix and our molds. We have engineers who have taken this to the lab to pass it a lab test, for us to make sure that the product that we're giving out there is firm, is strong, and is of good quality. So this is actually our passion and our joy, to see people smile when they're walking on top of our paves, and we cannot wait to parade this to you. Cheers. Asante sana. Hii red imetoa poa sana. Time imenifurahisha. Inafaa ifunikiwe. Mtaifunikia jioni? Yeah. Isioshwe. Nice. Aya, nianze. Usini naongea alafu tunahepa. Somebody is calling. Hello? Who's calling? Missed call. Hii wacha ndamcall back huyu. Mwambie huku tuko kwa maholo pot na ma productions za A-Build. Unasikia vile alo imeflow? Kuna upako sometimes inakuja, kuna sometimes inaenda kuongea, inakataa. Shebere, shebere, shebere. We are walking jump, shebere. I'll put my eye, my jaw, mo, me a pray, on, me a pray. Come on, me, it won't be for ya. I know it, oh me, come on man, shibidi, tunaweka tuka. Woo!